Hi there, this is Stan. We're glad that you've chosen Ring.io for your dialing and business needs. Let me help you get started with placing your first phone call with Ring.io. You'll first need to install the Ring.io web phone to your browser. Click the links in the description below for steps on how to do this for both Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Once the Ring.io web phone has been installed, we recommend pinning the shortcut to your toolbar. To do this, click the extension icon on the upper right-hand corner of your browser and click the pin icon next to the extension. This will allow you to quickly access the Ring.io web phone. Now that the web phone has been installed, let me show you how to place a call. Once the Ring.io web phone has been launched, you'll want to confirm that the phone has been toggled to the on position so that you can start accepting inbound calls. To place a call from your CRM, navigate to a contact and click the green phone icon next to the number that needs to be dialed. For this demonstration, I'm using the HubSpot CRM. Once you click the green phone icon, Ring.io will automatically place the outbound call. To place a call to a phone number outside of your CRM, such as a website or from an email, click the green phone icon next to the number. To manually dial a contact, enter the phone number in the phone or contact name field and click dial. Once your call has been completed, you have the option to update data fields such as the job title, company name, email address, and up to 3 additional custom fields through contact enrichments. In addition to updating contact information, you have the ability to log a disposition, set a next action, and log call notes. Once the data has been saved, Ring.io will automatically update the appropriate fields in your CRM, along with logging the call details and call notes. Now that you have an understanding of how to place calls, save post-call data, and use our SMS feature, let's take a quick tour of the Ring.io web phone. In the lower right-hand corner of the web phone, you'll find icons which allow you to access recent calls, the live monitor, the power dialer, audio settings, and system settings. To access recent calls, click the clock icon. From this page, you have the ability to review all of your calls and SMS based on the filters selected. To access the live monitor, click the eye icon. The Ring.io live monitor allows for admins to keep track of users that are checked in and checked out, eavesdrop and call coach on live calls, review call metrics, and much more. To access the power dialer, click the hamburger icon. This allows for callers to quickly access their power dialer list. To access the audio settings, click the speaker icon. In this menu, you have the ability to fine-tune your audio settings to further enhance your calling experience. To access the system settings, click the gear icon. In this menu, you have the ability to configure call forwarding, call routing, configure a personal voicemail greeting, add voicemail drops, and set daily target goals. To learn more about these features, please visit our help center at help.ring.io.com. Thank you for watching this video tour on the Ring.io web phone.